Hello and welcome to AndroBar Tech Support. Today we're going to show you a quick video on how to insert a AndroBar RFID spout into a Patron bottle. So as you can see, we have in front of us a number of parts that we're going to be using. The first one, very important, obviously, is the spout, and this is a standard spout. It comes with a regular cork or insert. We are going to need a larger insert because the Patron bottle has a larger bottle neck. We're going to need an extra large insert or cork. We are going to also need large heat shrink to secure the spout onto the Patron bottle. And this little tool, which is basically a wrench, which we use to remove the regular cork that comes with the spout and put a extra large size cork. So to remove it, basically you can wiggle this little tool underneath the insert and the spout, turn it over, and just gently wiggle back and forth around, and eventually this will pop off. We'll put that down. We'll take extra large cork, insert it onto the spout, and twist it in place. That's the easiest way to do it, until it is flush with the bottom of the spout. Now we're going to insert it in a Patron bottle, as you can see here. And you have to really push it down and make sure we secure it properly. As you can see now, the spout is sitting properly in a Patron. We're now going to take a heat shrink, one heat shrink, not two. Be very careful, don't pull out two. One is more than enough. We'll put the heat shrink over the top, as such, like that. We now take our heat gun, and we hold down the heat shrink while we start to heat the shrink from the top. Once we get the top done and secured, we can now move into the bottom part, as you can see. There we go. Turn the bottle, keep turning the bottle, and your heat shrink is now secured. And as you can see, if we take the bottle, we turn it upside down, nothing is pouring, secured. And that's how to put a spout onto a Patron bottle. Thank you.